Hi Terry, to access the demo course that I set up for you, go ahead and log into your Cengage account using your Chapman email address. When you scroll down, you'll see that I added the 13th edition to your account. And then under courses, you'll see this demo course link. So click that link and that will open up MindTap and a new tab. So now we're in MindTap and we'll go ahead and look at one of the topics that you cover, risk and return. So let's just look at chapter 2. So this is part 1. And I know you're looking at the adaptive learning part of it, but I just kind of want to show you what else is in here just to get your bearings in MindTap. So the first activity in each chapter is always the reading. So this is the ebook, and if there are any concept clips with quizzes in it, you can access them right here. And students will also come across them while they're going through the ebook. Also, all of these concept clips and end of chapter problem walkthroughs are included in the video reviews. So this is a great resource for students. They want to watch these videos of problem walkthroughs. Next is practice and test prep. So here there are these blueprint problems, plus end of chapter problems. So these come from the book, but they're algorithmic. And then the adaptive test prep. So this is what you're interested in looking at. So when I click this, this will pull up the adaptive test prep for chapter 2 specifically. But as a student, I could go in and look at any chapter, any section that I want, and do this as many times as I'd like. You can count this specific assignment towards the grade, or again, it could just be practice. So you can see all the sections in chapter 2 are selected here. And then I can choose how many questions I want to look at. I'm just going to look at a few just to get through them real quick. So I'll click Take Test Now. And these are multiple choice questions that I'm just going to pick some random answers just to get through them real quickly. And then when I'm done, I'll click Submit and Review Test. And then here is where I can see, did horribly on this test. I can see I get instant feedback, and then I get a link to that section in the ebook where I can read it again. Sometimes there'll be additional resources, but in these ones it has, so I get the feedback and then I get that e-reader link. Okay, see that for each one. And even when I get it correct, I still get some feedback. And then in progress review, this is where we see more the adaptive things. So I can find out, how I did in certain sections, and then I will be able to really study those sections that I struggled with. And then again, I can create a new test and I can test myself on whatever I'd like. That is the adaptive test prep. And then lastly, there are additional assignments for each chapter. So you can see these use Excel Online, these 3. And then this one is, I believe is Applia. So this Applia has really great, rich feedback. And then it gives students multiple chances to improve their score, hopefully, after they get that feedback and can better understand the question type. It'll give them a similar question to try again. I hope that helps. So feel free to play around and let me know what you think. Thanks.